Hi, it's the Florida Law Guy. Today we're going to talk about first appearances in criminal court, which are more commonly referred to as advisories. According to Florida law, whenever a person gets arrested for a crime, they must be brought before a judge within 24 hours. Normally, they are not taken to court, but appear before the judge by video camera remotely from the jail. This hearing is called a first appearance, but it's usually referred to as an advisory. Advisories are normally held the same time each day on a special calendar that differs from county to county. The judge who handles the advisories will not be the same judge who will eventually be assigned the case. When a person appears at the advisory before the judge after being arrested, they are appearing before the judge before any criminal charges are actually filed by the state attorney. Police officers arrest people if they believe that they have probable cause that a crime has occurred. The arresting officer has to file an arrest affidavit which details the facts that the police officer swears under oath establishes probable cause. Now, the first thing that happens at an advisory is for the judge to determine if the arresting officer's affidavit actually establishes probable cause that the defendant committed a crime. Let's say the arrest affidavit alleges that the defendant committed a crime by wearing a Dallas Cowboy jersey at a Tampa Bay Buccaneers football game. Since wearing a Dallas Cowboys jersey at a Bucs football game is not a crime, even though it probably should be, the judge in that case would find that there is no probable cause. When that happens, the state attorney is given another 24 hours to present additional information to the court in order to try to establish probable cause. If the judge again finds that there's no probable cause, the defendant would be released on their own recognizance. Because many people are unable to quickly hire an attorney while sitting in jail, more often than not, they attend their first appearance without legal representation. Because of this, after making a finding about probable cause, the judge will ask the defendant if they have an attorney or if they want the public defender appointed. Normally, the judge will appoint the public defender for the limited purpose of representing the defendant at the first appearance, so the defendant is not forced to argue issues regarding pretrial release by themselves. At this advisory, the judge must make a determination of whether the defendant is eligible for pretrial release. The judge will then set an amount of bail or could release the defendant on their own recognizance, which is called R.O.R. Now, defendants are permitted to waive arraignment and plead guilty at advisories. This is done typically for persons who are being held on very minor offenses such as disorderly intoxication or trespass, and it helps some people get out of jail quicker. However, for more serious cases, it is not a good idea to plead guilty at first appearance. It's completely free, so please support my mission to help make Florida law simple for the public to understand by liking and clicking the subscribe button. The way YouTube's algorithms work, the more likes and subscriptions a channel gets, the easier it is for others to be able to find it. So by subscribing, you'll also be helping others. Thanks for watching. See you next time.